Hi, my name is Jason Smith and I work for ProFund Mortgage. You may not have heard of us, but we are en route to being the #1 mortgage company in the state of Georgia and also other markets in the United States. A lot of my clients come to me with different credit repair needs, and a lot of them have used different companies out there, but I highly recommend a company called Leaf Credit Solutions. If you look online at the different credit repair companies out there, check out their reviews and make an educated decision, you'll see that Leaf Credit Solutions has excellent reviews and they've done tremendous work for my clients and I. So if you're looking for someone to help you qualify for a home mortgage, look at Leaf Credit Solutions.